In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Fresha account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're scaling down your business operations or simply taking a break, knowing how to properly close your online accounts is essential in maintaining your digital privacy and security. Today, we dive into the step-by-step process of cancelling a Fresha account, ensuring you have all the information you need to make this process as smooth and hassle-free as possible. Let's get started by navigating to the Fresha for Business website. You can find this by typing https://www.fresha.com/for-business into your web browser's address bar. This takes you directly to the business section of Fresha, where you'll begin the process. Once the page loads, your next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. This reveals several options for logging in, but since we're focusing on business accounts, click on the For Business option. This choice is crucial because it directs you to the administrative side of Fresha, where you have access to account settings and management options. After selecting For Business, you're given several sign-in methods. For ease and simplicity, click on Sign In using Google. This method is not only quick but secure, providing you with an easy entry into your account without the need to remember another password. If you have multiple Google accounts, you'll be prompted to choose the one associated with your Fresha account. Select the appropriate Google account to continue. Upon successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Fresha dashboard. To navigate towards account management, start by going to your profile photo. You might find your profile photo at the top right corner of your dashboard. If you're unsure what it looks like, look for an image like the one shown in our visual guide. Clicking on this photo is your gateway to accessing profile settings and more. After clicking on your profile photo, a drop-down menu appears. Look for and select the Profile option. This takes you to a section where you can view and edit personal information, but what we're interested in is a bit deeper. Within your profile page, locate and click on Settings. The Settings section is crucial for account management, privacy settings, and more. Once in Settings, navigate towards the option labelled Delete Your Account. This may seem straightforward, but Fresha ensures you're given a moment to consider this action. As part of this contemplation, it's important to note that before you can finalize the cancellation of your account, you must delete all your workspaces. This is a key step because Fresha wants to ensure that there are no loose ends or outstanding business activities tied to your account, preserving the integrity of their system and your business dealings until the very end. Deleting your workspaces ensures that you've properly closed any business operations on the platform, preventing any potential confusion or issues down the line for you or Fresha. This might involve cancelling appointments, settling transactions, or informing clients of your business's transition away from Fresha. Once all workspaces are deleted and you've followed through with the deletion steps, your account will be permanently removed. Remember, the decision to delete your Fresha account is final and cannot be reversed. So, take a moment to ensure all necessary data is backed up and you've communicated with your clients or customers about your move. This foresight can save a lot of time and prevent any business disruptions, and just like that, you've successfully navigated the process of cancelling your Fresha account. It's always important to make informed decisions about your online presence, especially as a business. By following these steps, you can ensure that your account is securely deleted, respecting both your privacy and the operational integrity of Fresha. Whether you're consolidating your digital footprint or making strategic changes to how you manage your online business, knowing how to securely cancel service accounts is an essential skill in today's digital world. Thank you for joining me in learning how to cancel a Fresha account. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials. Stay secure and informed.